everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Techaruna, and you all know that I am running a series on Canva. Today we are going to know how to create QR code in Canva. So for that you will need to go to design. Under marketing category you will get this QR code generator. You can see that. Now what we need to do is we need to choose a design where we have to insert this QR code. Either you can go for an existing design, or else you can create in a new design. So I'm going to use it in my existing design. So for that I need to go to my project. I'll choose a design where I want to put this QR code. I am going to choose, come on, yes, I'm searching for a project. Yes, this podcast project, I'm going to use it. Now the QR code will require a link to a website. I have linked it with the podcast website. So I will copy the link and then I will paste it here. So when you paste the link here, then the QR code will become active. Now click the button generate QR code, and then your QR code will be placed on the design. Now you can adjust where you want to place it, drag and drop, and then place it in a position which is convenient for you, and then you can use this by sharing it, downloading it, and this QR code will easily be embedded in your designs. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like it, click the button like, share and subscribe.